Hi, in this video we are going to learn how to create word cloud. Now word cloud, let's take one example for skill set, what we put it in our resume. So the point here is with picture we can say we can pass more information in short span of time. So here if I have more experience in Python, based upon that I have given the frequency like 100. Then I have experience in data engineering, then SQL, Spark. So out of these skill set, I can create a picture, and if somewhere I can keep it into the background so that if people are just watching my profile, they can see, and it will help them to make a quick decision like, okay, if my profile will fit for that role or not. So first let's install word cloud and matplotlib. So I'm going to click on this. Once these are installed, I'm going to click here, which will create the diagram, or it will create this picture here. Now you can see I have Python, Spark, SQL and data engineering, this skill set. Now here while creating this word cloud, we are using generate from frequencies. Means more frequency I will pass, that picture will be a little bit bigger. Comparatively, all these are approx same. That's why we can see all these. So looking at approx same, it's looking like. But if I'll reduce it to 10, now if I'll rerun this, now you can see Spark is really small here compared to other area like data engineering, SQL and Python. So like this we can showcase our skill set. Now if I don't want this axis, I can say like axis is off, so that I will just get the image.